What causes a watery tornado? Welcome to the Fuzzi Space Channel. Today, let's talk about waterspouts. These are tornado-like storms that form over water. They start when warm, moist air rises rapidly into cooler air above the water. This creates a spinning column of air. Waterspouts can be dangerous. They may pull water and debris into the sky. They can also cause big waves and damage boats nearby. If you ever see one, stay safe and get away from the water. Waterspouts are truly fascinating because they show how powerful nature can be.